Ratchet, come in. I've got the artifact. Clank and Zephyr are landing a ship at the Skull Radio Station. I'll meet you there.
Hey, stone from the cabin! Dance with the blade!
Attention, ye worthless swine! This be your captain speaking. The mangy furball and his friends have yet to be apprehended. Catch the thieving scoundrel, or face the edge of me blade!
Ratchet, come in. We're waiting for you on the lock dock outside the tower. Meet us there as soon as you can.
Inside the barge at all times. To your left, we have the famous Black Star Memorial Radio Tower. Constructed from materials pillaged borrowed from the Kurtsu, this tower boasts a fully functioning radio show. To your right, we have the MacGuffin, named after our former leader, Captain Julius MacGuffin of the Andromeda System. This concludes our tour of Ardolis. Please walk the plank and have a wonderful day.
Faster, Longbacks. But don't worry. We'll be sending you home with a nice fine box.
All it needs is a couple of new batteries.
Oh, well, what do you know about Lombax technology? My mother was half Lombax. Yeah, well, we used to make these gizmos out of paper mache.
I happen to be a renowned expert in Lombax history, and this doohickey is a zombie death beam emitter that'll wipe out all life in the galaxy.
Then why are you trying to put batteries in it, you darn fool?
Guys, just give me 2 seconds to think.
Having trouble?
Okay, genius, you figure it out.
No! It's the zombie death beam!
It appears to be a map.
Wait a second. It's Riken 5! That must be where the secret is hidden. I'll send the coordinates to your ship. Meet us there as soon as you can.